Well, Wally here. Is this the tool I've been waiting for? Is this the one? Is this the one tool to rule them all? Not these. Not these. No, no, not these. Come here, come here. Sorry, there's nobody there. Just pretending. A DeWalt 18-volt reciprocating saw. Said that in one take. Stay tuned. Yes, guys. Yes, guys. Check it out. Check it out. DeWalt DCS 367 18-volt brushless reciprocating saw. Guys, is this... Get into the blades in a minute. Is this what I have been after? For all the different projects and stuff where I've always felt that the tools that I had just weren't up for it or weren't fit for the job. Is this the one that is going to change all that? Well, today I want to put it through its paces a little bit and see how it gets on. I have a whole range of different blades, DeWalt blades, aftermarket blades, guys, which as you can see, these guys are here. And these are wood cutting blades, okay? Like, obviously not chainsaw blades, but trail clearing. It's a very handy package if you need to carry it somewhere, up the mountain, in a backpack, clearing trails, couple of blades. This is what I'm thinking as well, but we'll get to that in some other video, guys. Let's have a look at it now. Let's cut some wood. Let's see how it gets on. And I also have some pallets here, and I have some plastic and PVC and aluminium and all these different wonderful things. Let's give it a rip. That's going to bind. It's not sitting right. Now that was all over the place. I know why. I know why. Right. Let's try a different blade. Don't even have to touch it to remove it. That's class. This is a DeWalt 6 TPI, which is teeth per inches, I think, as far as I remember. And let's get it in there and see how it gets on. It should be less floppy. The other one was a bit floppy. Not bad. Not bad. Now this is actually designed for cutting through dirty wood. There's a little bit of a bend in it, whereas the other one is very straight. Let's try. Oh, look, I'm all dirty. Let's try its big brother. Just the same. Okay, so when you're putting your blades in, guys, I have there's a quick release thing here. You literally just lift this up, right up, out it pops, and this is a 4-way blade, so I can put it in upside down like that, and there's one on the top where, if I can see what I'm doing, there's one on the top where it just slides in like that, guys, and it's the same, so you can turn it around the other way as well. The DeWalt blades have a bit of a forward angle on them compared to the other ones. And everything just locks really securely into place. And a light. See it? Back up, Bruno. Bruno's like, yay, toys. Nice. Nice. Very handy. Can't see the paint lasting long on those. Right. No, maybe I actually will cut this up a little bit and get it out of my way. What do you think, Bruno? Make some firewood. So these are the steel blades. There's a lot of steel blades in the pack. Just various sizes, but this is probably the one I want here. This 10 TPI. This is the one that I think is going to be better for the aluminium, and but I'll keep this one out as well because I have a special project for that one. Because what I have here, guys, is I have some window frames, plastic or PVC window frames. Some sort of clamp might be a good idea for me to actually be putting these things into, instead of just trying to hold it with my arm. I actually think that there is a piece of aluminium in this frame. Jesus. That is 14 TPI. One more. That's the steel bit. Let's try the 10 TPI. And this was just a kit that came with no, it didn't come with it, that I bought at the same time. Yeah, well, there's no messing about there. Guys, I actually originally cut these frames. These frames using a DeWalt jigsaw, and it was not pretty. It did take me a very long time, not a very long time. It was just a bit of a cumbersome job. It definitely was not as easy as that. That was very easy. Okay, so what I want to try now, I'm going to pop this one out. And guys, this was the main reason for buying this. Yeah, nice long one. All of a sudden, all that comes out, of course, when you open the packet is all the ones you don't want to come out. I want one of these. Packet's a little bit pain in the arse to open, but and this is the actual reason I got it. Okay, so these pallets, guys, what I've done is I've put the blade in sideways so that I can just go like this. And I can dismantle pallets, and then I'm going to clad the inside of the cabin with pallet boards. And that is my cunning plan. That is my cunning plan, guys. That is it. I'm going to dismantle all these pallets, and I have a load more pallets somewhere else, guys, and I'm going to use all these pallets to to clad the cabin. Smart, eh? Guys, the DeWalt 18-volt reciprocating saw. It is a very handy tool so far, guys, and I have lots of work lined up for this, and I'm really looking forward to putting this through its paces. But right now, I want to dismantle some pallets. Thanks for watching. Stay frosty. I said frosty. Bud. Still frosty.